So today's project is to empty all the components that's inside of the machine and move it to my workshop. And no, this is not my workshop. This is where I work. And I will tell you more about why I'm here at the moment a little bit later on. So I have unpacked everything, and I have to say that everything was really neatly packed. Looked really good, no damages to anything. And the laser tube itself was strapped to the to these gas spring brackets. So let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, it's a this is a Yongli tube, and this is quite interesting because G.Weike had the option of basically this is the standard tube that they have, 150 watt. And I asked them that if I could get a Reiki tube instead, but they said you can, but the Yongli is better. So yeah, will be interesting to see. But I have nothing to compare with. This is my first big laser. Looks cool. I have no idea what optical power means, but if any one of you that watches this knows what it is, please tell me more in the comments. All right, so, and also inside was this TP-Link router for the Wi-Fi, I assume. I'm really happy that it's high quality. It's I have TP-Link in my home as well. And also in the warranty, the plastic bag for the warranty, it's certificate of quality. And it's interesting on a quality card that they don't even spell quality correctly, yeah. And this is some tests. I have no idea if 72 means anything. I think this is just to show how cleanly it cuts. Let's see if I can get in the focus there. No, never mind. And maybe this is some engraving sample. All right. And also interesting that inside of this was this set of keys that I would assume maybe fits here. Yeah, to turn the machine on and off. That would most likely always be there. Oh, this is interesting too. They actually write on the label that it's maximum 32 milliamps for this 150 watt tube. Cool. And also there's 3 big hoses. I would assume it's 120 millimeters maybe, the diameter of it. And this is a water cooler. I need to buy more hoses because the workshop, I don't know how to plan it yet, but it might not be enough. We will see. And this is the CW 5200. I'm really looking forward to this one. And let's see in the future if I can post a video on how I cool my full spectrum laser Muse 3D. Because that's a mess. But anyways, I'm really looking forward to this. This is a life changer for me. What else do we have? So yeah, this is the air compressor. Let's see what's inside of this one. Yeah. Don't know if I will use this. One of the projects that I will do, however, is to fix a bigger external compressor to this one as well. I've seen some YouTube videos on how to do it, and it looks really simple, and yeah, might do that upgrade later on. Aluminium hose, more. This is maybe for the compressor, the air assist, I mean. I did do a translation of this, and this is apparently absorbents of some kind. I don't know if it's for cleaning all the oil and grease that's in the machine for delivery purposes, but it's two of these anyway. We will see what that is actually, because there's no oil leakage from the machine, I hope. And I bought a lot of extra lenses and mirrors while I was at it, because this is things that you always have to change anyway, so might as well have it some spare. So I bought some of the 63.5 millimeter. That would be yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a 2.5 inch or 3 inch lens. And then I have the 50.8 millimeter lens, which is a 2 inch, I guess. And then it's this one. I can't figure out what it is. I know what it is, but where to put it. This is like a sensor that detects any motion near this area, but I can't figure out what to do with it. Hose clamps, power cable, more keys. I assume that will be that I could have a one set maybe here in the back. Yeah, and then also yep, that's the one. So 2 sets of those. I can't figure out what this is though. Just 2 of these pieces. They have different heights, and as you can see, different sizes as well. The thickness seems to be the same, and yeah, I'm really curious to see what this is all about. I have no idea, but you can see it's really is it cut out by an angle grinder or a Dremel or something like that? Yeah, there was some Allen wrenches as well, screwdriver, quick release for the air assist. But then here's 2 things that I just can't figure out. If anyone knows what it is, please write it in the comments. It feels like this is aluminium with some metal wire. I don't know if you can see, but I can't figure out what this is. And then the diodes. What the hell am I supposed to do with these? I'm not gonna start soldering anything anywhere, but is it spare parts? And why 2 red diodes? I can't figure it out, but I will see. Oh yeah, and then it's this rubber hose, a short, maybe 300 millimeters or something like that, I don't know. But I can't figure out where this will be. Looking forward to actually put everything together. And then there's yeah, you can see it's not really round, it's more like oval. Yeah, I might want to change that later on to something that looks a little bit better. Let's see. I have a hard time seeing that I will get this this airtight. We will see. All right, so that's basically it. Oh yeah, and all these small components came in this toolbox. All right, so yeah, that's it. So the next project that I will try to upload a video on is where The workshop that I have is really in a basement, and the door is really narrow. So I have to remove these. And when I do that, I will have approximately 20 millimeters margin to get it through the door. And this was actually one of the main criteria when I was hunting for a machine to buy. But G.Weike, they had really good service, good support. They answered all my questions with good patience. They sent some videos to me that I wanted to see, and yeah, so that's why it became this one became the prime choice. So I'm really excited to start working with this one, and it's now arranged that there is a support, well, citation marks here, but a team of support technicians that will help me when I set this machine up. But yeah, we will see about that. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the centrifugal fan. Yeah, this is it. Nothing fancy. I might not even use this one. We will see. We will see. All right, so that's it for today. Take care.